This is the first comprehensive survey of Coke and Pepsi's donations to health organizations. Over a 5-year period, the authors found that the two companies had given millions of dollars to 96 organizations.
On the one hand, these organizations are supposed to be combating obesity. On the other hand, they're actually taking part in a marketing activity of the soda companies, which serves to promote soda consumption.
The organizations include the American Diabetes Association, the National Institutes of Health, childhood obesity groups, health and fitness groups for children, even charities like Save the Children, which received $5 million from Coke and Pepsi in 2009 and then withdrew its support for a tax on sugary drinks the following year. The US suffers from one of the highest rates of obesity in the world. A major contributory factor is sugary drinks. The US is one of the highest per capita consumers in the world. Federal and state laws have been proposed to regulate their marketing and directly to tax sugary drinks to make it less attractive as a beverage choice and also finance healthcare. In fact, on the same day this study was released, the World Health Organization recommended a 20% increase in the price of sugary drinks to help combat obesity, diabetes, and tooth decay.
You tax the beverages and use the money to promote health, to support health systems, especially if it's targeted at the vulnerable and the poor.
Both Coke and Pepsi have lobbied against such measures. One of the report's authors says that as a result of their financial donations, they received the backing, or at the very least, a lack of opposition from unlikely quarters.
This is something that we've seen with the tobacco industry, we've seen it with the alcohol industry. Anytime you're funded by an entity, it's going to change your view of that entity, and it's going to soften any kind of opposition that you have to them.
The health organizations, though, deny any linkage between the donations and their public policy positions. Representatives for Coke accept that the company opposes what it calls discriminatory taxes, but insists that the donations were designed to, quote, strengthen communities. Pepsi says it has an important role in addressing obesity, which is a, quote, multifaceted issue. Shia Britansi, Al Jazeera, Washington.